C4 convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. C4s have been kind of coming on strong here lately at Unique. This one's a 1995 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. 350 LT1 power underneath the hood, paired with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Odometer reads 62,883 right now. As you can see, nose cone looks good. You're going to have a few touch-up spots on these C4 wedged Corvettes. They get, say, a little chip, and if you got a owner that's taking care of them, there's going to be a few touch-ups on them. But as you can see, paint shows well. Black exterior, red leather interior, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube, so we can take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Saw blade style correct C4 wheels. Also directional and going the right way on this car. It will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the sale price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the passenger side's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, red leather. Center console for that automatic transmission shifter. Still has a protective strip on it for the convertible top when it closes. Now, again, it's black. There's some very, very light kind of scratches in the clear, I guess, if you will, but well, it's being awful fussy. You can also see how nice it shines coming off that paint, the reflection from the ceiling. So don't get me wrong. Car shows well, but it is pushing 30 years old. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. This is one of those cars, get in, turn the key, drive it, go have some fun. Take your time looking through the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. And remember, we have an open door policy. You can't make it look at this car yourself, maybe due to distance or timing. Would like a third party to take a look at it, report back to you. Not a problem. Open door policy for those guys. It is a manual top. It's a black fabric top. We're going to put it up at the end of this video. One person can do it in less than a minute. It's very simple. Thought this was kind of cool. They actually left the kind of informative sticker on here that this protective strip was for the convertible top, and dealers not to remove that label. It's been on there since new. Kind of interesting. All right, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Of course, the red leather. And that's kind of, I guess, wearing as you'd expect. You're going to start to get some kind of wrinkles and from when it folds and moves and people getting in and out of it. One thing I do want to mention, it is a nice bright red, as you can see here. Sometimes in the still pictures, if you get right up on top of it, it will start to wash it out. It's not doing it too bad here in this video, but reds, maroons, blues, kind of got to watch for that. But as you can see, nice bright red in color. We're going to check out the exact miles here first off. 62,883. Go ahead and start it up. No warning indicators, anything like that on. That's door ajar. I don't have the door closed, and the seatbelt light over there. So you do have the AM, FM, CD cassette. That is the Delco Bose series, Gold series. And you would have electronic climate control, and like I said, AC does blow cold. Let's try this radio in a second. Radio's working fine. I notice you have your fuel gauge info. This will be your gauge info. And notice the button is missing. But if we come over here, right there you see that 100, that's the oil temperature. We're going to push this, and Goes to coolant temperature at 119. So that button is missing, but the gauge does what it's supposed to do. There's your volts, and I can cycle through and go back to fuel info or trip odometer or anything like that. So that's all working, even with the button gone. Dash, good to go. Nice interior. A couple other things. Headlights, check those real quick here. No gears grinding, those are working nice. Something else, if you're familiar with the C4s, the steering column. It is nice and tight. It's not wobbly from people getting it out, in and out of it, using it for support. Steering column, good to go in this one. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Sounds like a stock C4 to me. Haven't noticed any major modifications on this. Let's take a quick peek at the engine bay. That 350 V8 power, and again power steering, power brakes. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Look underneath the hood. Hood lights working. Looks good, sounds good. Slip around to the other side here. Guess what you'd expect. All right, I'm gonna button this up, turn it off. Let's get that convertible top up, check out the condition of that, and we'll wrap this video up. And here's the convertible top up. So black cloth top, and that is manual. Obviously on the C4s, one person can put it up in less than a minute. Just very easy, simple operation. Rear glass window with rear defogger. Looks like if you need it to keep you out of the sun or keep you dry, it's going to serve the purpose just fine. Side glass, both sides fits nice and tight. And also nice tight fit above the windshield. And remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile, 1995 C4 Corvette convertible. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. 507-386-1726. The number to call with any questions if you'd like to know more about this car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1995 Chevrolet Corvette. Black paint and black and red interior. This is an automatic on the center console. Very nice running car. Good power, as you would expect from a Corvette. This is a convertible and we do have the top down currently. Our temperature reading 185. Volts are over 14. And the oil pressure is about 55. Factory radio sounds really good. Our wipers are working. The AC is blowing cold. Headlights work perfectly. Cruise control also working perfectly. This car is showing that it's estimating 24 miles per gallon, 25 miles per gallon in that short little cruise. Red leather bucket seats are comfortable. course, this car corners well, as Corvettes do. Very comfortable, very fun to drive. 1995 Corvette convertible. Take a look at all the pictures and learn all about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.